Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money to your Wise account. You can find a link in the description to sign up for a Wise account for free. Using that link might also give you an exclusive free money transfer offer from Wise. First, open the Wise app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Home tab. This is where you can see your balances and other account options. Now, below your total balance, you will see a button that says Add Money. Tap on that. Next, you need to enter the amount you want to add. For this example, let's type in 10 euros. You can enter any amount you prefer. After entering the amount, tap Continue. Now Wise will ask you to choose a payment method. Tap the Add button to see all available options. You will see several choices. These include debit card, credit card, bank transfer, manual bank transfer, Ideal, Klarna, Trustly, and Apple Pay. Some of these methods may depend on your country or currency. Let's go ahead and choose Apple Pay for this example. Tap on Apple Pay. Wise will show you the amount you are adding and the fee for this transaction. Make sure to review the details before continuing. If everything looks correct, tap the Continue button. Now you'll be asked to complete the payment with Apple Pay. Double-click the side button on your iPhone. Then confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once the payment goes through, the money will be added to your Wise account balance. This usually happens within a few seconds. If you don't want to use Apple Pay, you can use a different method. Let's say you want to use a debit card instead. Go back to the Add Money screen and tap on Add again. Then select Debit Card. Now tap Continue. On the next screen, you will see any saved cards linked to your account. If you want to use one of them, just tap the card and confirm the payment. If you want to add a new card, tap the plus icon. Now enter your card number, expiration date, and CVC code. Once you've filled in the card details, tap to proceed with the payment. After the payment is confirmed, the money will appear in your Wise account balance. You can use these funds for sending money abroad, converting currencies, or spending with your Wise card. That's how you add money to your Wise account using different payment methods. Remember, you can find a link in the description to sign up for a Wise account for free. That link might also give you a special offer, like a free money transfer with Wise.